Out of body with the flow. They want it more. I give them more.
Yo, what it do? It's your boy BJ. It's a new day. We're gonna get back at this bike frame some more. Paint dried overnight. Was checking it out a little bit ago. Actually looks pretty good. All we got to do is paint the underside of it. So that's what we'll get to today. I'll go ahead and get some clips right now so you can see how that paint dried and how it looks. So let's check it out. Alright guys, get a good look at this frame. That scuff mark was right here somewhere. You can't tell it's there no more. Primer set pretty good overnight. No more scuffs where they were right here. Real nice and smooth. So if you look underneath, you can still see all that old primer there. We're gonna cover that all up right now. So got her all hung up now. I'm not gonna put it on that trash can to do the other underside. So I grabbed some old speaker wire here and strapped her up there, but anyway, this should go a lot better, and then I can let it dry and not worry about scuffing this thing up. So let's get to it.
Perfect.
I just ran out of primer in that can, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry real quick. I do have another can of primer that I'm gonna use to give it another coat after it dries. So far it's looking pretty good. There's still some spots in here you probably can't tell through the camera, but there's still got some light spots in there that I'm gonna have to go through again. But I'll give it another coat and then it'll be done as far as priming wise. Then all we'll have to do is start coming up with the frame design, get some pieces to put up on this frame that we can fiberglass over and Bondo over. And then after that, obviously we'll get to the custom paint job. For now, this is where we sit. So I'll get another clip of doing the other coat, and then that'll be it for this portion of the video. And that's it. Got her all primed up now. Let her sit there for about 30 minutes and dry up before I move it from this spot. Right around right here, I actually did spray just a tad bit too much. Might not even show, I might Bondo over it, who knows. But anyway, that's it for now. You guys see what it is. And until next time, we'll get back with you. Peace.
Down low, take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running to you, like I did it. Can't do it, can't get it. Go run it up, get it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like buckets, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, you know they can't stop. Keep my mind at ease.